In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off email notifications on Clickup. Many of us rely on Clickup for project management and task tracking, but sometimes the flood of email notifications can be a bit overwhelming. By following these simple steps, you can take control of your inbox and manage your notifications more effectively. First, we need to navigate to the Clickup website. So open your preferred web browser and type in clickup.com. Once you're there, look for the login button, usually found at the top right corner of the page, and click on it. You'll see different options to log in, and for the purposes of this guide, we'll proceed with signing in via Google. Clicking on Sign into Google will direct you to a page where you can select your Google account. Make sure it's the one linked to your ClickUp account and select it. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to locate your profile settings. To do this, take a look at the top right corner of your ClickUp workspace. You'll see your profile icon, click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From the drop-down menu, find and select Notification Settings. This is where you can control exactly how and when ClickUp notifies you. Next, in the notification settings, look for the section related to email notifications. It's typically titled Email, and you should see it as you scroll down. Click on Default under this section, which will reveal a list of email notification options tailored for your activities in ClickUp. Here comes the important part, finding the option to disable these notifications. After clicking on Default, you'll see a variety of settings. What we want here is to turn off the email inundation. Find the option that says Disable Notifications. It's usually quite prominent and straightforward to access in this menu. Click on it, and with that your email notifications from ClickUp should be turned off. Disabling these notifications can help greatly in decluttering your email and letting you focus on tasks without frequent interruptions. However, bear in mind that while this reduces email traffic, you might want to periodically check back into ClickUp to ensure you're up to date with all your tasks and projects. With that, you've successfully managed to turn off email notifications in ClickUp. Remember, managing your notifications is not just about reducing emails, but also about optimizing your productivity. Thanks for tuning in, and if this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips like this one. Have a great day managing your tasks on ClickUp.